Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad kes sangma ha ka no phai sngi jong ka khat khandai tarik luber araja arpun rio ulat lek banyak kendo yo CH Vidya Shankar ulat ke Jylla banyak ran halor ki daw ki bala lam cha ka jingkan at Um-Snam ka bala jia rilom Garo ha kini ki khendiat sngi ki bala dam bat kumju halor ka long kaman ka bamenta Habakran sikilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulaong bakalong kaman ya menta kala long bakham jai banyak ka bala dam Henry ka sarkar kadang pej perman bha ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka te ka thain Kumban syukudo bahaka khandai tarik uleber araja arpun rio kala don ke jingsa kata kti ubam de rio lom hatura kat ba udang thmu ban lek thap kerteng ban ya aireng hak election MDC sa GHADC ke balabu ban long hak spho tarik yong araja arpun rio Gani ke jing kata kti yote ubam de rio lom Garo ke de halor ke jing mi ke notification na ke GHADC bagi ba thap kerteng ban ya aireng election MDC ke de ban don ya ke ser not schedule tribe Hakapor miat hakate ke sngi sakipam de rulom kilami ban pen kulmar ha chibinang bat chan digre dak bat thang ye kidukan bat ka office jong ke GSU hakate ke miat ladon arngot ki bala yap bat kani ka kan at Um-Snam kala por sakiwe ki benta ka rilom Garo hado ba ka sarkar kala hap ban shem ye karai ban pen sange swai ka te ka election bat ka notification na ka GHADC kat kum ka yen kasari lakhen bakam song nong rim
I was for most of the last 2 weeks I was in Garo Hills and as we are all aware that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened and which required my full attention, so I was there in Garo Hills and all this while I was only able to communicate with the Honorable Governor on the phone and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with the Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor and that was my basic purpose of visit. Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened and so the briefing was basically just as I said a briefing on the law and order situation. In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya